In this video, I'll show you how to make larger cells in Canva Sheet. So to get started, go ahead and open canva.com into your preferred browser and then go ahead and sign in to your account. Now, once you're signed in, head over into the recent design section and then click on the Canva Sheet where you want to make a larger cells. So once you're in here, go ahead and click on the number, which you'll find at the left side of the sheet, and you can go ahead and make the height of the cells larger. So make sure to click on that line in between the first and the second number, and then you'll be able to adjust the cells of each of the data that you have on your Canva sheets. So that is how you can basically make larger cells in Canva sheets. So you need to do that repeatedly on each of the cells that you want to make larger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.